Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add automatic horizontal scrolling images in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already, and after doing so, it's going to open up this new page where you can log into your account, after which we can access our dashboard, and here we can find all the websites that we have. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up the website where you want to add the scrolling images for. So I'm going to open up this website right here. It's going to open in a new page, and here is how our preview is going to look. We can take a look at the website, products, content, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started. Basically, we are going to be following this guide right here on how to create horizontal scrolling images in Squarespace. Basically, guys, here are the 4 steps you need to do, and it's very easy. What we want to do first is to click to add a section. In the section, we're going to select images from the menu, pick an auto layout indicated by the information tab that we're going to take a look at right now. So basically, to do that, we're going to click the edit button right here at the top of the screen. Click on edit, and this is going to open up this new menu where we can get started with editing our sections, and one of the options is going to be called add section. So we can click add section. And now guys, as you can see, it's select images. So we're going to go ahead and find images right here. So here at the left side of the tab, we can find images. Select one of the options right here. So you can select your horizontal tab. And after doing so, as you can see, this is now going to add our images right here. What we want to do next, guys, is to add your images. So you're going to upload your images. You can change the images that you have. You can edit the galleries. You can see you can add your images and so on. Remove what you do not want to have. After you have done that, you want to go ahead and add custom CSS. Now, this is the fun part, guys. Adding some custom CSS to create a scrolling effect. So to do this, you'll be using the CSS animation property. And here's the code that you will need to add. So basically, guys, to do this, you need to add some CSS into it. So let's go back, exit out, save it, and search the search bar right here for CSS. So we're going to go ahead and do custom CSS, and here is where we can go ahead and paste this code. So go ahead and paste your code right here and add your custom CSS files. And after doing so, it will go ahead and enable you to make the scrolling images right here by saving it. And this is how to do it. So yeah, guys, basically those are the steps you need to follow. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.